What's something people don't know about picking winning stocks? It's simpler than you think. First things first, research. Look into the company's background, check their financials, and see how they've performed over the years. Trust me, knowledge is power here. Next, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries. This way, if one stock takes a hit, others might still soar. Now, let's talk trends. Keep an eye on market trends and news. Is there a hot new tech? Or maybe a booming industry? Riding these waves can lead to big gains. Remember, patience is your best friend. Stocks can be a roller coaster ride, but don't panic at the first drop. Hold on tight and think long term. And here's a golden nugget. Always have a plan. Set your goals, know your risk tolerance, and stick to your strategy. The more you know, the better your chances of success. Ready to conquer the stock market? You've got the tools, now go out there and make those winning picks. The secret to success is research, strategy, and patience. Happy trading!